Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried egg gravy. This comforting dish is surprisingly simple and uses common ingredients you likely already have. We'll start by gathering just a few items: 2 large eggs, some butter, flour, milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This entire process is designed to be quick, so you can enjoy a delicious, warm meal in under 15 minutes. It's perfect for a cozy breakfast or a light dinner. Now, let's get those eggs perfectly fried. Begin by melting 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, carefully crack 2 eggs into the pan. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the whites are fully set but the yolks remain wonderfully runny. This ensures a rich texture when combined with the gravy. Gently remove your beautifully fried eggs and set them aside for a moment. Next, we'll create the delicious gravy. Using the same skillet, add the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter. Once melted, stir in 2 tablespoons of flour, cooking for about 1 minute to form a smooth roux. This is our thickening base. Slowly, and while continuously whisking, pour in 1 1/2 cups of milk. Keep whisking until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, season generously with salt and pepper to taste, ensuring a flavorful foundation. With your gravy ready, it's time to assemble this delightful meal. Place your perfectly fried eggs onto a slice of toasted bread or a warm, fluffy biscuit. Then, generously spoon the hot, savory gravy right over the top of the eggs and toast. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh chopped chives or parsley. Serve immediately and enjoy this incredibly comforting and easy-to-make fried egg gravy. It's a truly satisfying dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.